Hello everybody, welcome to EC's Workshop. Today is going to be another automotive video, and I hope this one works a lot better than the last two or three. During the winter, I think it was January, February, we had a freeze around here and had ice on everything. And I come out to my truck, 1992 pickup truck. It's 30 years old. Runs good, run better than my other truck, which may wind up getting scrapped out. But here we are today. And I was come out one day, February, and I'm second owner of this truck. I come out one day, it was cold, winter, ice everywhere, and I went to open the door this year, and the door handle broke. See, door handle broke off. Alright, so I rigged up this little trick. I got this string here tied to a weight, and when I want to open it, I pull and it opens the door. But I'm getting kind of nervous. As you can see, the door handles are plastic and they're getting old. I'm afraid it's going to break one day. And I used to be able to come from other doors. So I ordered a door handle. And I was just thinking, order a door handle. When I went to order a door handle, I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and I ordered it last month. And I said, well, when I get time, I'll fix them and I'll just replace them all. I replaced the new ones in here and everything, just go ahead and do it all. So that was my intention to do. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, because in order to do this, I have to take the whole panel off to do this, to get it done, to replace that handle. But yesterday, I went and picked up my grandson at school, and look what happened. He went to get in, broke this door handle on the passenger side. So it's time to replace them, or I ain't gonna be able to get in my own truck. So that's to work today. I gotta get some tools. And I gotta be able to put my screws somewhere. I gotta go fishing, so I gotta have somehow to I gotta get this thing fixed. So I'm gonna probably sit you right here and try to get these door panels off. It's been many years that I've taken door panels off. I'm talking many years. Hey, here's the door handle from the passenger side broken off here. So I gotta get a hook. I know there's a little pin holds that on, screw holds this on. Screws here. Screws are in under here. And I think it's the only screws in. One here, want that off, this off. Then I just gotta get behind this and pop them all off. Alright, let's get busy fixing. I went and got a light. I just hope it don't rain. Can y'all see better? See, I gotta take them off. That screws are in here, here, and there's a pin here. Then there's clips all the way around it. And I hope I got the right tools. So let's get started. This may not be on video. I may take it off or speed through it. That little bitty clip right there holds that knob on. I've got that. I'm pretty sure that this speaker has got a screw behind it holding it on. Don't you pop off. There you go. I didn't put them on. I wonder where that come from. Where'd that come off from? I've truck somewhere. I'll have to find that out. Mona. Okay, now let's go ahead and get these here right quick. I'll put this blanket down here to catch droppings. Hope I'm not in the way. You know how some people are. Always got to stick your head in the way. You know what I mean? There you go. Plug-ins. I'm glad of that. I'm glad to see that now. They're not plug-ins. Oh, crap. Now I gotta cut them. Damn it. Let's see. May not. May not, may not. Let's try to work around this thing. Alright, where's the... Oh, that's stupid of them. You know what? The screws are back here. Behind it. Now, the screws for this thing are back under here. So you got to start taking this off and work it around that hole. Somehow. Alright, let's get started now. Let's see if I can find everything. I'm sorry my head's in y'all's way. Don't laugh at my bald head. We all got them. Well, most of us do. That's the reason why we all wear ball caps. Don't we? Alright. Now, learn something all the time, don't you? There it is right there. Where'd it go down there? I'm glad it's still in the door. Okay. All right. Now, right there is the nuts for the outside hook. So then it's got to fit in that little hole down there, a little plastic piece there. Let's see if I can get the flashlight to light to stay right there, and then camera to stay. It's got to go in that little hole right there. Got to sit in there. Little rod does. And this little rod here sits in there and pushes down, opens the door. And you lift up on the handle. So let's get this thing done. I gotta go get a 10mm get the new one. Okay. Now, let's see if I can do that. We have got to try to get this down here, and we gotta fold it up and go in it together like so. And you know what? It won't fit. Yeah, it does, tightly. There, like that. And then we kind of crank it up and down. I don't think it'd let me come through there with it like that. That hole ain't big enough. Nope. I gotta do all this in here. Boy, I tell you what, they do some tricky shit when they make cars. You know what? Get these stuff to drive a man crazy. Well, when you know it, order these separate, one left, one right. And I think this is the left door, because it's got to go like this, and I think this is the left door. They sent me two lefts. Instead of one right and one left, they sent me two lefts. Well, you can't get nothing done, people. People just walk into place and whatever you want. I gotta just grab that and go. You know, that teased me off. You'd be happy with that. And I hope this works. It don't look like it's going to. You know what? It don't look like it's going to work. Gotta go all the way on and clip onto that. And we'll see. I used to do this trick years ago. You know what? I screwed up. No, I messed up. Big time. Golly, Bill. Here we go. Got to take it all off again. Alright. Only thing I got done accomplished is this and a new door handle put on. That's it. You see the new door handle? There. Got the new door handle put on. Let's see if it'll work. I got the roll down window put on. And sap sucker. And a handle on there. That's it. Let's see if it works. No, ain't gonna work. Too much junk in the way. Alright, everything's out of the way now. No, damn door's locked. Now how am I gonna get in the car? Turn it off. And this time we're gonna finish it. We're gonna put it all back together before we go and try and shutting doors and turning lights on or whatever. I'm jumping the gun here. I'm so excited. Got new door handles. I ain't had none in 2 months. I'm really pissed. They sent me 2 lefts. Do this again. Okay. Alright, I put the new knob on. They sent me the wrong one part for this. I got this. The door's unlocked this time. See, it's unlocked this time. I need to get some more clips with pins for those, and then you can shut the door. You can open it. Shut the door. You can open it. Been broke for a while. Alright, now we go over and do that door. You ready? I'm not. I'm pissed off. Need to take this cover off. That's a perfectly good seat. My dad bought this truck brand new off the lot. And I let my son drive it. And he kind of tried to do some modifications to it, and he kind of messed it up, and then he decided he didn't want to do it no more and parked it, and I took it back from him. Now I'm driving it again, and I've had to replace these because he lost those things, and I've made some out of wood. And then that there, I made me a charging station out of it so that I can charge phones and stuff, and cigarette lighter. And it's got a cigarette lighter, people. It's got a cigarette lighter right there. Yeah, if y'all those people don't know how they work, you push them in. Only works when the car ignition's on. You push it in and it'll get hot and it'll pop out like that. Then you take it and you light your cigarette. You know, that's how that works. For you people who don't know what a cigarette lighter is. Or a car cigarette lighter. Okay. Let's move over on that side. Gotta find something to clamp this thing to. We're gonna move over and start on that side. You crapola thing. I knew you wasn't gonna work for some reason. I felt that. Ooh. had a feeling that you wasn't working. What is wrong with you? Okay. Alright, let's move to the other side. I never could understand why they put plastic in there. I know, so top the water. Okay. Let's move to the other side. See if we can do some damage over there. Do something right. Okay, we'll start here with the speaker. I'll start here with the speaker box. This time, I put some bigger screws in there. Find out what size that hole is on this one. When I got it off, it's ridiculous. It might be the damn original speakers that come with it. I don't know. Hey, look it. Okay. I'll reach in here and get this clip. Now, alright, now, best thing to do is when you reach in and grab this clip, and grab it from the other at your corner. Say like that, you lose them. There it is right there. I'm gonna go get my blanket put over here. I don't lose nothing, no parts. I can see them. Took that trim off this one this time first because I learned that it's a trim. Okay, from that over there. So now cut this off. Get this off here. Get that off there. And you've got 2 screws underneath here that you have to take out. No, they can't rain. Can't rain. Mo Shamel. Confine your butt. What the crap? Oh. Alright, now come on. I guess these make these things different sizes, huh? Alright, now come on. Work together. There you go. It's that same way. What do you want them to do? Oh yeah, I don't know what to do now. And not replace them, I guess. them send those back credit. That's for sure. Golly, Bill. was hoping this would go a little faster. It don't look like it wants to cooperate right for me. Big Bill, why are you doing that? Oh, I know why. Never mind. I know why. Gotta put my special tool in. That's the problem. I gotta put my special tool in there. That's the problem. You follow this way, but you won't go that way. I don't understand that part. And then you want to roll up on me instead of fold up on me. Please work. Please do right for me. Come on now. Not so easy on the other one. Stay folded up until I get the pin. Where's the pin at? All down here. Down. All right, I'm back. We got it back on. I finally fixed it. I'll tell you what. The nuts wouldn't fit. The screws, the threads were all messed up. I tried to fix the threads. They got too hot. They come out of the plastic. I tried super gluing them back in. That didn't work. So I turned around and found me some 5/16, no, 1/4 inch screws and little short ones. They're like the hole to fit them. I had to put them in. Got the screws in, got it on. I had to put it on there. I had to have something on this thing because we're driving it. So I had to fix it. So it's fixed now. So now, okay, Okay. Let's try to find those other screws. Okay. Screw holes. Hey man, there y'all are. I didn't know where y'all was at. I was looking for you. But y'all done took a break. There's that. There's that. There's that. There's that. And there's that. Now, oh, I just gotta put the needle on. Now, where'd the ring go? Come off of that. I had to get way over there, man. My life is like a box of rocks, man. Every time I'm doing something, something got to mess up somewhere. Yeah. I have ordered stuff from Rock Auto for years. And you know, this is the first time that I've ever got stuff back from messed up. What's going on? Okay. Now, what we got to do is we got to try this out. Shut the door. There. These two parts no good. This part's no good. I can't use those two parts there. Backwards. Okay, now I can get in and out of the truck. Alright, that's installing new door handles on a 92 Nissan pickup truck. Hard body pickup. Now